Hi Year 3, welcome back. Mrs Powell here. Now today we're going to be using the work of an artist as inspiration for our project today. And the artist's name is Max Ernst. You might not have heard of him, but you probably have heard of another artist called Salvador Dali. Both Max Ernst and Dali were surrealist artists. That means they made pictures that were a little bit strange and often nightmarish. Okay, so this is an example of Max Ernst's work. It's actually in the Tate Modern in London, and it's just this sort of weird kind of floating fish. But the reason I've chosen this example is because Max Ernst sort of invented a technique which is called frottage, which comes from the French word to rub, and he used the frottage technique to create these sort of weird collages, and that's what we're going to do today. So what I want first of all is for you to have a good hunt around your house for any interesting textures that you can find. I found these sort of kitchen implements. Oh, Lego's also a good one, okay? Because frottage is all about making a rubbing to get these lovely textures. So you'll also need, well, I'm using a graphite stick. If you're lucky to have one, that's great, but you can use ordinary pencils or crayons. So let me show you how it's done. So once you've gathered all your interesting textures, you're going to make your rubbings. Okay, so what works well is quite thin photocopy paper for this. So the first rubbing I'm going to take is of the Lego. So I'm just going to place the paper over the top of the Lego. Now remember, I'm using a graphite stick. It's unlikely that you've got a graphite stick. Great if you have, but you can use pencil or wax crayon is perfect. But let me show you how it's done. So you can see that the texture is appearing. Okay, let me show you another texture. A great texture you can use is a potato masher. So you're just going to have to kind of lift it up and hold the paper over it, and then get your crayon and rub. Look how lovely that is. Okay. So once you've got your lovely selection of textures, you're ready to make your Max Ernst inspired frottage fish, which is not easy to say. So you're going to just use your scissors to, I'm going to use the Lego because it's bigger to sort of cut the shape of my fish, his body. Okay, I'm just going to cut that out. Don't need that bit, and then I'm just going to put it on my piece of paper like that. Okay, and I'm going to use, I think I'll use this texture for the shape of my tail. You can obviously do whatever shape you like, and I'm going to use this texture of the potato masher to make some fins. So I'm just going to cut that in half and make a nice fin shape to go there, and then stick them down. So here's my finished Max Ernst inspired frottage fish. So hopefully you'll have as much fun as I did capturing some of these lovely textures that I've found. So please remember, if you're going to share your work with me, to just upload it onto your distance learning journey slides. I'd love to have a look at your fish. So good luck and keep drawing.